If you're interested in growing a YouTube channel, if you're interested in making money online, this video is for you. Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This week's video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing product, and this week it's a product that is going to help you if you're trying to make money online or trying to grow a YouTube channel. It's a product that I think is going to help most of us. I also am going to have a couple of shout outs. They'll be a little bit later. In order to qualify for a shout out, all you need to do is like and comment. That's all you need to do. You don't have to subscribe. I'd love for you to subscribe. In fact, if this is the kind of content that is of value to you, if you're interested in making money online, if you're interested in growing a YouTube channel, that's what this channel is all about. If that's of interest to you, well, subscribe, ring the bell, and that way you're not going to miss out on these videos. My weekly giveaway is a free ebook. It's a lot more than an ebook, and it's a free download. No strings attached. Do not need an email. Just download it and enjoy it. The name of the ebook is Fire Your Boss. And I don't know of anybody that wouldn't like to fire their boss. Now, actually, according to the math, according to the statistics, about 80% of us are either not happy with the boss, not happy with the job, or not happy with both. So about 80% of us really want to fire our boss. Firing your boss is not necessarily a dream. It's not an impossible dream. It is something that can be turned into reality. So I encourage you to stay tuned and watch the video. So let's get right to my weekly giveaway. I've taken us to the download page, and you'll find a link below to this page. My weekly giveaway is Fire Your Boss, and we'll get to the shout out in just a little bit. What I want to share with you here is that it is an ebook called Fire Your Boss, and join the internet marketing revolution. So it's going to help you with internet marketing primarily, but if you're a YouTuber, that is something that you really need to know about. YouTubers and internet marketers have very much in common, and the information is going to be of help to you whether you're trying to make money online or grow a YouTube channel. And the giveaway includes not just an ebook, it also includes the e-cover, images, squeeze pages, thank you pages, and resell rights. And the idea of resell rights is that allows you to give the book away, to sell the book. In other words, you can use the book for resale. Of course, you can use it for your own personal use, and you can also use it as a giveaway, as an incentive, or as a bonus. So that is what the resell rights allow. And I want you to see here, download now. There is no email required or no strings attached. Just enjoy the book. Let's get to the shout out winners. So I've taken us to Randomize, and Randomize is a random list picker. It's a random name picker. I have loaded the names, and the first winner is Tony Beach. Tony is from IBO. Congratulations, Tony. And the next winner is Ethan from YouTube. Congratulations, Ethan, on being a shout-out winner. And I want to congratulate Tony Beach from IBO and Ethan King from YouTube for being shout-out winners. And this is a snapshot of Tony's profile page. And if you could see below this, of course, if you'll visit his profile page, you can read on. This is a really good overview of Web Talk, which is it's a new online experience, a new online opportunity, and it's worth looking at. It's got a lot of potential. This is a snapshot of some of his press releases, and if you take a little closer look here, you'll see that his press releases are pretty much based on opportunities. And what he's doing here is he's providing a lot of online opportunities. So if you're looking for some online opportunities, you definitely want to check out Tony Beach's press releases. And this is his recent press release, and it's thank you so much for connecting. But what this is an extremely good overview of Kanessa. And Kanessa is essentially about gold, but a whole lot more. And it's an overview. It's a new opportunity called Kenna Kanessa. And the overview is really well done. It's complete and it's compelling. In order to visit Tony at IBO, just click this link and it'll be on the download page. Now, Ethan King is from YouTube. And Ethan King is a relatively new YouTuber, but his videos are just so doggone good, and they're packed with such good content. He's gaining an awful lot of momentum in a very short time, and because typically he's only posting a video roughly once a week. I think he's trying to pick the pace up a little bit, but his normal schedule's been about once a week, and he's got almost 3,000 subscribers already. Now, above is a snapshot of his YouTube channel, and what his videos are about, as you can pretty much see here, they're pretty much about helping you with YouTube. If you're trying to get better results on YouTube, that's what his channel is all about. So if you're new to YouTube, if you're thinking about YouTube, or if you're on YouTube and you're just struggling, if you're just not getting traction, then the Ethan King channel it really should help you. This is his latest videos, and it's 5 tricks to hook an audience, and they're some of the best tricks that you could ask for. So you can visit Ethan King YouTube channel by just clicking this link here, and it'll be on the download page. You'll also find a link to Tony Beach's profile page and Ethan King's YouTube channel below this video. If you like Ethan's video, be sure to subscribe. Tony and Ethan, I thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it, and congratulations on being shout-out winners. It is sincerely a pleasure to give you both a shout-out. That is my weekly giveaway, no strings attached. If this is the kind of video that's of interest to you, that's of value to you, don't forget, subscribe and ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and allow me to wish you much success